Okay folks, anyways, I want to give it a little update on what's been happening with my boat. Since last time I changed the timing to 6 degrees ATDC and 20 degrees BTDC. Prior to running it this weekend, I also took out the plug individually and cleaned them up with a Dremel brush or whatever. So it's running better. It's not stalling out as easy at low RPMs, but it still does it once in a while. Not as bad. The coughing or sneezing, whatever you want to call it, maybe you'll listen to the sound and tell me which one it is. I can't tell the difference. Anyways, it's still doing that. And I've also replaced the wire from the black to the gray, and still doesn't make any difference at all. But let's get the show on the road and start her up and see how it runs. All right. Well, as you can see, it started up pretty good. I didn't start it all this morning, and this morning is fairly cool. And already, that's the noise I was talking about. It's like misfire, or not misfire, but skipping or whatever, talking. Right now, the quick start is on, so it's idling a little higher. It's running at probably about 1400 right now. The other thing I thought of, it may, I don't know if there's a possibility, might be water coming in. I do have an issue. I guess it's just the way the boat is designed. When I come to coming to a stop, you know, if I don't kind of match the back turn coming in, water will come in all the back here, and sometimes gets to the point where it's filling up the back here, and and of course there's the prime ball. I don't know if water might be getting through there, or sometimes water will come over here at this point, and literally water creeps in here too as well. And obviously, and you can see here, water gets into there, but that's nowhere close to the fuel tank. But when water does come over in here, or on this flap, I do notice I sometimes see water up here too as well. So I don't know if water's getting into those sending unit seal or the other outlet or port there as well. So you know, there's times where I think, well, if it's water, then it would be doing that consistently throughout all the RPM, but it doesn't. Like when it's idling high at so let's say 1000 or 1200 or plus, it doesn't cost as much as if it was like idling, say, 850 or something like that. And it does a lot more when the motor's cold. Oh, sorry, scratch that. Actually, it does it even when it's warm. So right now, it hasn't picked off. It is cold this morning. You know, we're in autumn right now, and the water temperature is probably about 55 degrees Celsius. Oh, sorry, my mistake. 55 Fahrenheit. Right now, actually, it's not coughing as bad as it was earlier, but who knows? Maybe that's something to do with the revving up at 5 RPM right now. So just waiting for this quick start to kick in. So just to see if there's any difference. There we go. As you see, the quick start has turned off. The motor's calmed down. And started running off that. It's not coughing or sneezing or whatever you want to call it as much right now. But you heard it earlier. That's the issue I'm still fighting with. So if you guys can let me know what you think it is, that'd be great. Thank you, and sorry for the long-winded video.